Square root, taking square root, let me consider the division method. Take down division method of determining square root 2 of any value. Taking square root 2. Let me take up the smallest, the very small number, and that is very familiar. You know very well, 144 square root 2 is equal to 12, right? So how to do this? By, the factorization technique, that is 144 means you divide by 2, so 7, and this one 2, 72, so 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, and then 3, 3. So what you can put? 144 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 power 4 into 3 square. So you can take the square root of 144, which is nothing but square root of 2 power 4 into 3 square. So you can declare this as 2 squared into 3. So which is nothing but 2 2s are 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. So this way you can easily do it by factorization. You can either divide by 2 or 3, or that is 7 or 11. Likewise by prime numbers you start always by 5, etc. Now in this case of division method, you have to take 2 digits from the right hand side. Okay, so I have taken 2 digits from the right hand side, so I got only 1 in the first digit. So within that 1 I must find out the square value. So 1, okay, and put 1, it is eliminated, and drop this 44, and multiply this by 2. Multiply this by 2. Whatever the quotient you are obtaining here should be multiplied by 2, and you should try to get the square values so that it should match with this. I can put 2, 2. So you have to multiply by 2, and this 2, 22. So 44, that is equal to 0. So my square root of 144 is equal to 12. So this is the way you can do. So let me take up some other value also. Let me take, for example, 456 into 456. Let us try. So it becomes 207. It's such a huge number. 936. Let us attempt this. Okay. 36, 2 digit, so 20. So take this. Now within 20, what can be the possible square value? 4. So 4 4s are 16. If you put 5, it becomes 25. That exceeds 20. So you can put 16, and then 4 4s are 16. So 16. So subtract this, 10 minus 6, 4, and drop this 2 number, 79, and multiply this by 2. Multiply this by 2, so 8. So every time you have to multiply the quotient by 2. Okay, so here 8. Now you should be able to identify some complete perfect square within 479. Within 479. So which number can be taken? For example, when you take 3 3s are 9, then 24. So I can take 7. So 7 7s are 49, balance 4, 7 8s are 56, but it exceeds, so I cannot take 7. So in that case,
6.
I can consider 6. So 86 into 6, 36, and again it goes exceeding 479. So I can stop with 5. Okay, so 5 I can take. So 5 5s are 25, balance 2, then 5 8s are 40, 42. So 9 minus 5, 4, 7 minus 2, how much? 5, right? Now I can drop this 36. Then once again I have to multiply this by 2. So it becomes 90. And now I should check, that is which number I can get as a perfect square, either equal to 5436 or less than 5436. Okay, so shall we try 6? So 6 times. So 6 6 are 36 and this is 54. So 0. So the answer is 456. So square root of 207.7936 is equal to 456. So this is the way you can find it. Got it? Okay. It can be done even in the case of decimal. Okay. For example, let us consider 6.25. Okay. So 6.25 is taking square root means you can take like this. So you cannot put 3. 3 3s are 9. So take 2. So 2 2s are 4. And then 2. And drop this 25. Put the decimal because you are crossing the decimal. Now multiply by 2. 4. So 5 times. Is it not? So 5 5s are 25. And this is 22. So 0. So the answer is for 6.25. Square root of 6.25 is 2.5. But remember, square root of 62.5 is not equal to 2.5. Is it not? Okay. So we want to find out. For example, with the help of calculator, first we will find out. That is, what is the square root 2 of 625? So 25. 6.25. So 2.5. 62.5. This is not equal to that. So 7.9 only. 7.91. Okay. Shall we check? 62.5. So now you have to consider 2 decimals only. Okay. So in that case, I cannot take this, I have to consider the whole number in this case. So I had to put 7 only. Okay, I cannot put 8. 8 8s are 64. So I have to consider 7. You have to consider the decimal, I mean the whole number only. So 7 7s are 49. What is the balance? 12 minus 9, 3. Here 5 minus 4, 1. Now I must drop 2 digits. So it is understood that you have got 0. So every time you have to drop 2 digits. And it's already after the decimal. So you can put decimal. So multiply by 2. It becomes 14. Right? In that case, how many times you can, for example, 9, you can put 9 times. 9 9s are 81, balance 1. And then 9 4s are 36, 44, balance 4. And then 9 1s are 9 plus 4, 13. Right? So 9 and this one. And you have to put once again 00 like as it goes. So you can stop with this 7.9 is the answer, which is closer to this one. Okay. So please remember this method of finding out the square root 2 based on the division method. Okay. Now let me give you some worksheet. You try to solve this. Take it up.
So for that,
Yeah, you can do. You do it in the book. That is, find out the square root of 261841. Second sum. Square root of 4987. These are all for practice. Third one. Square root of 2735.29. So try all these things, and you can also try 0.00156. So in this case, you can adopt the scientific notation method. For example, you have got 156. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 means scientific notation 1.56 into 10 power minus 3, but make it as a even number. So 4. Therefore, you can write this 15.6 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, so for 10 power minus 4, you know already it is 10 power minus 2. Then you can work out for 15.6. So likewise you can modify into. Okay, try.